Welcome to a day in the life. This is one of the first days we're living in our forever home, so lots of house things going on today and work. But first things first, I have to go check on my neighbor's animals, so come with me.
You guys wait, I'll be right back, okay? Okay, bye.
I'm gonna use this as an opportunity to get in a little morning walk because it's a little bit of a walk.
Hi, Sophie. Hi, baby Soph. How are you? You want this? Yay! Oh. Hi, Soph. Where's Gallo and Ryder? Gallo, Ryder, come on.
Okay, I'm done with the animals. I'm walking back now, and the walk is so good for me, especially being almost 20 weeks pregnant, because I'm winded, and I definitely need to walk more.
You smell Sophie. You ready to go potty? Go potty.
Okay, I just went and got another load of things out of the camper. It's just been little by little grabbing stuff. Today I got my journals and some pens and my hard drive. So let's put those away and then do some journaling and make some coffee. The majority of the stuff in the drawers are gonna end up in my office at some point, but I don't have an office yet. Let me show you what the office looks like right now. I have a full Pinterest board for the office, but it just wasn't a priority at this time. But let me show you what it looks like right now, because we've actually kind of made it into a trash room. This is my office. We've kind of turned it into a trash room at the moment. It's all just like cardboard and paper from moving, TV boxes. So someday soon I'm gonna put a desk in here and a chair and some shelves for my books, and I can't wait to utilize this space. Okay, I grabbed my Instant Pot as well out of the camper because I need to meal prep my husband's lunches for the week. We do frozen chicken in the Instant Pot and it is perfect. It comes out, we pull it apart, and he does like barbecue sandwiches for his lunches every day. So I need to put the chicken in to get it started. I just got these new brown glass cups from Target. I actually did a Target haul on my TikTok and it's on my YouTube shorts if you want to check it out, but I'm obsessed with them and I love them for coffee. Okay, I have to update my journal that has been tracking this entire journey. This is probably where I'm gonna end up working and journaling most of the time until my office is finished. But let me update the journal because the journal doesn't even know that we moved into the house yet. So let's update the journal and enjoy our coffee. Okay, I have a work meeting in about 45 minutes, so I'm going to make myself look presentable for the meeting and then prep for the meeting. Okay, I'm all ready for the day, but first let's do a bump date. We are almost 20 weeks along, which means we're almost halfway done with the pregnancy, which is absolutely crazy. I feel like I've legit doubled in size over the last 2 weeks, so here's a bump date. Here it is with clothes over it. I'm also wearing black, which probably makes me look a little less big, but watch this. Are you serious? How does it look like that? I'm only halfway, like I'm scared. If you didn't know, I'm having a boy and my husband is a large man. So I'm a little scared, but that is what I'm looking like right now. I am just grateful that this baby is healthy and growing. I don't care how big I get as long as he is healthy, but I'm so excited because in 2 days we get to see him for the first time since 6 weeks, which he was literally just like a tiny little seed. So now he's gonna look like a little baby and I'm so excited to see him. All right, I'm about to go back into the kitchen so I can do some work and prep for my work meeting. I just opened these and I'm missing one. Especially like we've been moving the last couple of days and I was editing in the car. That's a scary feeling. Well, time to go look for my other AirPod. Okay, false alarm. I found my AirPod. I had just dropped my AirPods in my bedroom just a few minutes ago, but I didn't see the case open. Apparently it opened and this one fell out. So false alarm. all good. Let's get to work on some prep for this meeting. I have some editing to do and a couple other things I need to get done that's computer work. So I'll be here for probably the next couple hours. Okay, I'm about to eat this little Kind bar for breakfast, but I just posted a video. It is our empty house tour, so go check it out. But I'm gonna eat my breakfast, finish my coffee, and get ready for my meeting. Okay, I just got off of my meeting and I'm definitely gonna be sitting here for a while because I have a lot of work to do for this company and then another client of mine. So I'm gonna sit here, finish my coffee, and work.
Hi, you got your duck call toy, Waverly? Get that duck call toy, get it! Get it, run!
You guys are acting crazy. Anyways, I'm outside just getting some fresh air. It's around lunchtime, so I think I'm gonna grab a snack soon, and then it'll almost be time for Dustin to get home, and I will start, you know, kind of prepping for dinner and things like that.
Cute little chocolate butts. You guys like that you have more room to roam? Oh, nice potty one. I can really see my bump through the window right now. Think I'm gonna grab a cheese and some veggies. Some cucumbers, some carrots, and some ranch. My lunch looks absolutely massive. Also guys, having a dishwasher is game changing. I've literally never had one. The fact that I can just put that in there is so nice.
My huge lunch, just kidding, it's just lots of snacks that are in huge Tupperware containers because I prep veggies so that we have good snacks, and I make homemade ranch. So that's what this is. Here's my lunch. I'm not eating all of this, but I am eating all of this. Perfect lunch. I'm gonna sit here and eat my lunch, watch a YouTube video, and then I'm going to do a little more work for the next like hour or so, and then I'm gonna get ready for Dustin to get home. Currently watching Ava's new video, and I'm about to shred my husband's lunch chicken. Okay, I'm done shredding the chicken. This is about how much it makes. It makes quite a bit, enough for him to have 2 sandwiches every day for lunch, and then sometimes there's even a little bit left over that we'll throw into like ramen and stuff. It's super easy. It's just 18 minutes pressure cooked in the Instant Pot. It's frozen chicken. You just throw the frozen chicken straight into the Instant Pot with some water and the trivet, and then I throw a little bit of seasonings on top, and then we just shred it up, and it's super easy and great for meal prep. I get the bag of frozen chicken from Aldi, and it's around $5 to $6, and it lasts the entire week, so super cheap. Okay, Dustin just got home from work and I'm going to start some dinner prep. We're having meatloaf tonight with broccoli bake and mashed potatoes. I'm so excited. We've been wanting to make meatloaf for a very long time, but the camper oven was propane and really small and there was just no way we could do that. So very excited. This is the first real meal that we are having in the house.